Get your students excited about the wonderful world of light with our latest unit update. Students are introduced to the unit by taking a look at how smartphones have gotten smarter with the invention of a simple lens that can turn your phone into a microscope. They also meet their guide for the unit, Dr. Stile, the optical engineer who is harnessing the power of optics to detect and treat disease. Students identify technologies that utilize light using our live brainstorm feature, a great way to stimulate class discussion, especially remotely. Throughout the unit, students learn about light waves, color, and the interaction of light with objects. A new poster summarizes these key concepts and teaches students about the beauty of light in the world around them. Students also examine how visible light is related to the electromagnetic spectrum. With Stile's tools for giving timely and specific feedback, including the ability to release model answers to your students, you can be confident that your students will have grasped these new concepts. Metacognitive strategies are incorporated at the end of each lesson as students reflect on their learning with tools such as visible thinking routines. Students get their hands dirty, or should we say clean, as they use scientific inquiry skills to examine how light interacts with soap bubbles. With the use of interactive simulations, students examine the law of reflection and how light refracts as it passes from one object to another. They also compare the difference between concave and convex lenses and how lenses are used in the real world. Using Teach Mode, you can quickly reveal whether students understand these new concepts. The unit is jam-packed with engaging lessons that help you teach this illuminating topic. From everyone here at Stile, we genuinely hope that you find this helpful and look forward to hearing your feedback.